The Pauner card printer is a great solution when you need to print high-quality photo ID cards for your workplace staff or name cards for event attendees, for example. The card printer prints high-quality color printing on a plastic card the size of a bank card. Blank cards are placed here in the card input hopper, and printed cards comes out from the other end of the printer. The printer has a ribbon that contains all the printing colors. The printer is connected to the computer with a USB cable or an optional Ethernet network connection. The delivery includes a printing software for your computer, which you can use to design and print the cards. With the software, you can make an unlimited number of different card layouts. I will show you how to make a card layout. At the top, you can choose whether you want to make a vertical or horizontal card. On the left side, you will find all the tools. You can place the text field where you want and choose font for the text. You can attach a logo from an image file. You can place the portrait field where you want and in a citable size. When the card layout is ready, you can save it. I will now open the previously made card layout template. You can write in the text field in the writing field in top right. You can attach a portrait from your computer from an image file. And if necessary, you can easily crop the image by dragging the red frame line. You can print the card by clicking the print icon.